How to flip an egg without using a spatula. This article shows you how to flip an egg using only the skillet. It takes a lot of practice, so don't get discouraged. Steps. 1. Heat a non-stick skillet to medium-high. 2. Add a small amount, 1/2 teaspoon, vegetable oil and carefully swirl to coat, or use some butter or non-stick spray. 3. Crack an egg into the skillet. 4. When the white begins to set firm, gently swirl the egg around the pan to coat the surface with oil and prevent the egg from sticking. 5. Pick pan up and turn away from the burner element. You do not want to flip over the burner as the oil is flammable and will catch on fire if it hits the burner. 6. Angle the opposite side of the pan downwards and gently flick the wrist forward and then back towards you in a quick circular motion to roll the egg over. Again, this takes a bit of practice, so keep trying. 7. Once the egg is flipped, continue cooking to desired crispiness. Don't move the egg initially, 5 to 10 seconds, as this can break the yolk even if it didn't break during the flip. 8. Repeat flipping technique to return the egg to the original side. 9. Remove from heat and carefully tilt the skillet to slide onto a plate. Tips: you want the egg to roll over the curve in the pan, not flip in the air. You can practice flipping with a dry, cold skillet and a piece of bread. Keep your pan hot. A cold pan will only make the egg stick. Do not keep your skillet off the heat source too long before you flip. You may want to crack the egg into a small bowl first. This makes it easier to remove any shell fragments. Do not use too much force when flipping. This will cause the egg to fly upwards and make a mess and cause grease splattering. It helps if the inside of your wrist is facing up when flipping the egg. This allows more movement in your wrist as opposed to your wrist being sideways when holding the pan. Warnings: do not flip over a burner, stove element. The oil may spill and cause a fire. Use only enough oil to prevent your egg from sticking. Too much oil will splash when you flip your egg. Be very careful. The oil will be very hot and can cause severe burns. Please my channel subscribe.